Good morning, Commissioner Rogers. We first want to thank you and your associates for taking the time to meet with us today. We're here representing Bridger Aerospace, a Montana-based company that specializes in aerial firefighting. We are looking forward to potentially partnering with NSW Rural Fire Service. Australia is facing longer, more intense wildfire seasons than ever before. In the 2023 to 24 season alone, over 96 million hectares were burned, more than double the damage of the 2019 to 2020 Black Summer fires. Today, Australia faces nearly year-round fire risk. The north burns during the summer and the south during the winter. We are confident that we have the tools and technology to help, and we genuinely want to be part of the solution. My colleague Reese will take over from here now. Thank you.
Thanks, Maggie. We believe Bridger Aerospace is positioned to be successful in Australia for a variety of reasons. First, Australia's vastness and propensity to wildfires, which continues to increase in intensity due to climate change, creates an urgent need for advanced solutions. Bridger's specialization in their aircraft, like the Super Scooper and Air Attack system, offer services that address Australia's current critical needs. Along with this, the strong political and economic ties between the US and Australia, including a free trade agreement and defense collaborations like AUSMIN, Australia-United States Ministerial Consultations, which is in place specifically for defense and aerospace situations, provide a stable foundation for a joint venture. Australia's strong digital infrastructure and focus on technological innovation align perfectly with Bridger's advanced sensor technology for real-time wildfire intelligence. By partnering with well-known local entity like NSW Rural Fire Service, Bridger can navigate local regulations, leveraging existing infrastructure, and build trust within the community. While challenges like local competition and adapting to Australian regulations exist, Bridger's specialized technology, environmental consciousness, and solid market entry strategy suggest a promising future in the Australian aerial firefighting market. Now I'll give it over to Jocelyn to talk more about our market strategy.
At Bridger Aerospace, we're proud to stand at the forefront of aerial wildfire suppression technology in Montana. But more importantly, we understand that innovation means nothing without strong partnership, local expertise, and trust. That's why we believe that the NSW Rural Fire Service is the ideal partner for a joint venture. Our goal is to support and enhance that leadership by bringing in proven cutting-edge aerial firefighting systems that can integrate seamlessly into the RFS operations. Bridger provides next-generation tools which consist of AI-assisted aircraft, rapid deployment platforms, and real-time data integration. Together, we can create a model that not only enhances fire suppression, but also strengthens community safety and preparedness. Cultural fit is at the heart of our strategy. With Australian and the US aligning on every aspect of Hofstede's cultural research, we're confident that there won't be any major barriers in our integration process. Bridger is committed to that mission. Our technology will support RF's efforts, not change them, and will ensure all integration is tailored to Australian standards, regulations, and operational needs. Of course, we recognize the challenges. The aerial firefighting space is competitive with several local and international providers, but by aligning with RFS, Bridger Aerospace gains instant credibility and trust. Together, we can differentiate through performance, faster response times, higher efficiency, and smarter fire suppression using data-driven systems. We also acknowledge the risks around supply chain logistics and government pricing. To address this, we're already mapping partnerships with local aviation service providers and planning for localized maintenance and logistic hubs. This reduces our reliance on global suppliers and ensures operational readiness. Ultimately, our vision is simple, and it's to work alongside RFS in building the most advanced, efficient, and trusted wildfire response. This joint venture isn't just a business opportunity, it's a shared mission to protect people, land, and wildfire from one of the greatest challenges of our time. With that in mind, I'd like to hand things over to Elsie, who will talk us through the strengths of recommendation.
Thank you, Jocelyn. And through a deep analysis of Australia's current state and their future needs, we are confident that our partnership will be successful. Australia offers a politically stable environment with strong U.S. trade relations, including, as Reese talked about, the AUSMIN and the Australian-United States Free Trade Agreement. The current tariffs that the U.S. placed on Australian steel and aluminum, which are both used in aircraft production, are slightly concerning, however. Economically, Australia has a growing GDP and high household income, giving them a high consumer confidence and strong industry ratings. The demand for firefighting aircraft is rising due to longer fire seasons and climate change, aligning perfectly with what we can offer. Socially, urbanization and environmental consciousness support sustainable innovation, which we offer. There is an alignment with Australia's dedication to sustainability from Bridger Aerospace as we utilize fuel-efficient jets and are cautious of which fire retardants are used. Technologically, as Reese talked about as well, Australia has a strong digital infrastructure and rapid adoption of advanced tools, ideal for our development. Legally, strict but clear regulations and a transparent system support international ventures, and environmentally, Australia enforces standards for emission controls, noise regulations, and energy operations, all of which Bridger Aerospace complies with. Bridger Aerospace specializes in advanced aircraft like the Super Scooper, offering eco-friendly and high-tech wildfire suppression needed for Australia's growing crisis. Our data systems and proven reliability make us a strong contender for long-term government contracts. While we face challenges like high entry costs and limited local presence, Australia's demand for sustainable, tech-driven solutions presents a major opportunity for us. With this joint venture with Rural Fire Service, Bridger Aerospace can ensure safety for Australian citizens and nature.
Bridger Aerospace provides specialized aircraft such as the Super Scooper and systems for aerial fire mapping that we believe will provide incredible support to our potential Australian partnership. We are looking forward to being a strong and sustainable system towards Australia's wildfire efforts by adding more coverage, faster responses, and better data. This way, we can directly provide support during the toughest fire seasons. Thank you all so much for your time today, and we hope to move forward with our partnership. Thank you.